Hi, my name's Camilla and I'm a marketplace consultant for the Amazon Paid Services program. The program is designed to help selling partners scale their businesses, reach new customers with the overarching aim to increase their sales. Marketplace consultants can deep dive into business needs and offer personalized and tactical advice. One of the strongest elements of the program is having a defined go-to advisor within Amazon. We empower selling partners to achieve their growth by offering personalized strategic advice through a key action plan. We connect with the relevant teams within the Amazon organization to help our selling partners get the necessary information to streamline their businesses. Marketplace consultants meet their sellers regularly, either in person or over the phone, to ensure the short and mid-term goals are kept, and then the long-term goals are reviewed more in depth in a monthly business review. There's not a typical day as a marketplace consultant. This means that we can be doing anything from product category performance analysis, looking at marketplace expansion opportunities, facilitating insights and reports, or generating business reviews. We help you simplify the strategic planning and identify the key opportunity areas in things like account health, selection growth, expansion, and come up with tailored strategies for your business. We've opened doors to various teams within the organization in an agile and bespoke manner. Just having someone who's in the know, who has the information at their fingertips, proves to be invaluable to business owners. So from day one, our selling partners have that go-to person to help them navigate the Amazon marketplace.